Bosco School Silchar, and here today to share with you some ways on how youth and teens can use social media productively. So, as a student, I strongly feel that social media and other social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. have become a source of major distractions for students. Despite of all the negativity going on through social media, there is a whole lot of possibility as well. So, here I came up with few such ways which will make social media benefit for you rather than harm you. So, here I go. We can use social media for learning or business growth. We can show talents we have on platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. If you need any advice on any topic, social media can provide rapid tips, thoughts, and input. It is a great way to cast a large net instead of catching the singular opinion of the person on the cubicle next to you. You can also solve any problem with the help of Google, because Google is having the answers of all the problems you have. If you're having any idea or you need any feedback for that idea, just simply post it on social media and see how much share and response it gets. So, these are some ways I have found to make social media beneficial for you rather than harm you. Thank you.